Hey guys, this is Nirali and thank you for watching my videos. अगर आप लोग नए हो then welcome to my channel, and if you are already watching my videos from earlier, let me tell you, when we came to India we had a small ceremony जो गोद भराई सेरेमनी कहते हैं, श्रीमंत कहते हैं, बेबी शावर सेरेमनी कहते हैं, वो हमारे घर पे थी। तो आज के वीडियो में मैं वही दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको जो हमारे वहाँ पे सेरेमनी हुई थी। दिस इज़ माय लवली हाउस, माय इन लॉज हाउस। यहाँ पे हमारी सेरेमनी हुई थी, बेबी शावर सेरेमनी, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू गुजराती रिचुअल्स वी हैड सेलिब्रेटेड द गोद भराई फंक्शन। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Let me remind you, we recently landed to India. We were staying in UK since last 2 years and I am 7 months pregnant. This is me. My mom has a saloon. I had uploaded many videos of her saloon as well. उन्होंने रेडी किया था मुझको, and then we had this ceremony जहाँ पे I have to put my steps and those are saved for in the house. तो गोद भराई में यही होता है कि in Gujarati it is known as Pagla Padwani Rasam. So Pagla Padwani Rasam we are doing here. Out of this all, the most fun rasam is slapping my brother-in-law. So that is done in the end. So watch out when I'm slapping my brother-in-law. It is a fun moment. So it was a fun in-house function which is celebrated with the ladies. Usually ladies होती है function में and the boys were roaming around. But watch out for that last moment. सो देन वी हैड ए पूजा. उसके पहले गोद भराई रस्म होती है जहाँ पे यू एक्सचेंज. बाय द वे, दिस इज़ माय मॉम हु इज़ ऑलवेज हैंडलिंग माय लुक and she did a pretty good job and I was so much impressed by my look. I hope you guys liked. The sari is a silk sari and we did a flower ornament set. Others were gold ornaments. So it was a lovely function, and this is now the Godh Bharai function where you have to exchange, put the few things in your lap, which is a good fortune. So this Godh Bharai function is done, and after this Godh Bharai function, now we are going to hand over this bag to my mother-in-law. The lady in pink is whom we are handing the bag is my mother-in-law. She is such a sweet lady. Actually everyone was in pink, so all the girls were in pink and all the boys were in blue, so you will be seeing everyone almost in pink shade. So that was our dressing theme. So the next rasam is my sister-in-law, Soham's sister. Beautiful lovely sisters are going to tie me Raksha Rakhi. So she is the elder one, she tied me the Rakhi, and then the younger one also tied me a Rakhi. And after that, this is a special rasam. Soham's brother, who was not present in India at that time, so in place of his brother, Soham's friend had to do this rasam for me, and he had to slap me and I will slap him in return. This is a small rasam. Just watch it out, you will have fun.
Paco vai mandou. હા, એ નહીં, બે હાથથી ધોયો.
પાછી ભરી જાય
So this was it. This was my small function. We also had a cake cutting and some props. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video and you enjoyed it. You got to know about my family as well. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and giving me regards. Love you. Namaste.